Hi, welcome to this short video on how to make money using a very simple method that I call break above consolidation. Break above consolidation. Example is I'm going to use is Google. So what do we see here? The price had tried to move above this 170 area once it failed, twice it failed, three times it fails, four times it fails. That tells me that that is an important area. And I said, if this price move above 170 area, I'm going to buy. And that is what happens on this day when it broke above. I bought, and you can see the next day and the follow-up day what happened. Let's see how much we got on that move. So from that break above, we run up 7% in just a few days. Of course, it did slap back, but with my stop loss, I lock in some of those percentage. So look for area around where the price tends to consolidate and buy above those areas on big volume. Ciao, ciao.